cute. But my hair need to be washed. I ain't washed it in like a month and a half. And I really want to use Mississippi water specifically. I thought they were falling anyway, but I love the volume. My hair don't have volume alone. So I'm going to wash it. I'm going to braid it. Then I'm going to dry it. And I'm going to take it out. It's 9:49. I'm going to try to get my curls back by 4 o'clock this afternoon. I'm pushing it. I know. That's like 6 hours? Can I get curls in 6 hours? Let's see. Probably not these curls. I might do more of a wave, but it's going to be a tight braid, so I'm going to try to get the waves to be this big. Let's go. When I say I make it my business to wait till I get to Mississippi to wash my hair, because nobody's water is as soft as Mississippi water. I don't care what nobody say. Mississippi's water is great for your hair. I don't know. It's like Texas water is extra hard because of the extra chemicals and stuff that they put in the water to keep it clean. But Mississippi water, I'm not saying that it's dirty, but it's just softer. Like, you just have to feel it to know what I'm talking about. Using a Suave shampoo that my mama already had in here. I don't know anything about it. I really don't even like using shampoo, to be real, but I know you need it to clean, so I'm using this Suave Daily Clarifying Cleansing shampoo. I only use a little bit because shampoo, we all know, strips your hair of its natural oils and stuff. I try to keep my hair as soft as I can without making it extra brittle and fragile because it's already going through some things right now. I also use this Pantene conditioner, something else I've never used, but it says it's extra hydrating and moisturizing, so we're just gonna try it. It had some oils in it for ingredients. So I really like to use natural shampoo and conditioners, but my resources were limited this time. Another reason why I like to wait till I get to Mississippi to do my hair is the air. Like, the air in Texas is a little bit drier. The South is known for humidity, but Texas air is a lot drier because of the deserts and things. But Mississippi air is very moist. I know a lot of people don't like the humidity, but it's really good for your hair and your skin. I really didn't realize how much the water in the air benefited my hair because I didn't have a hair routine back in the day, but now I do because I don't get that extra moisture that I got from living in Mississippi. So I'm very grateful when I come home. I just try to give my hair everything that it needs. Okay, I'm done washing it. I might leave one braid, lock knot, whatever I decide to do to show y'all. But right now, I'm gonna moisturize and braid it up. Let's do a little lint check real quick. The brown is getting closer and closer to the ends. It's coming on out of there. Wish me luck. So for these braids, I'm making them extra tight because I really want to squeeze the water out of it as I'm braiding it. And my scalp really paid for this because when I took these braids down, my scalp was you can see at the root that I was really pulling and making it tight. But I don't regret it because I wanted my roots to kind of lay down a little bit because I really do need a retwist, but I'm not getting one to January and I'm sticking to it. So my roots can have a wavy texture as well. So now I'm sitting under the dryer. I think I sat under the dryer for I want to say 2 hours because I had other stuff to do. I got all my hair up here at the top. Looking dry. Got 3 more hours until I'm taking these down. And I think I'm going to stay here for, I don't know yet, but I'm going to figure it out. Whenever it dries. So my hair actually didn't end up drying in the time that I wanted it to, But now I'm at Alcorn, and I'm getting ready for my college homecoming game. And I'm finally taking it down. So my hair was up overnight just to make sure it was dry because I really wanted these curls to actually last. The curls came out really cute. I knew they were going to be cute because they were extra tight, but I didn't know it was going to be this fluffy. It almost gives the same volume as the curls before, which were pipe cleaner curls. If y'all want to see my pipe cleaner curl video, here it is on the screen. It's just a little short reel. I made YouTube videos back in the day, but they're private now. And I can make an updated pipe cleaner curl tutorial video if y'all want me to. Now it's extra popular to do, so I'm sure y'all know how to do that already. Oh, y'all, this is my other best friend. Y'all saw my other best friend in the other video, but this is my other best friend. I really wish y'all could feel the relief that I feel when I take these braids out, y'all. But I'm very proud of my curls. My hair feels extra, extra soft like I knew it would. So this is how my curls came out, y'all. Look how cute. My curls lasted all day. I didn't get a after the day picture, but it came out great and I enjoyed myself, and I hope this video did something. I know it wasn't that informative, but I just wanted to let y'all know that humidity is actually really good for your hair. Soft water is really good for your hair. And yeah, this is why I like to handle my hair in Mississippi. The air is better, the water is better, and it's just better for your skin, hair, and nails to be in a moisture rich environment. I know the humidity is not the best when it's hot or cold because it actually makes it colder, and it makes it hotter because you're wet and muggy and sticky, but it's actually good for you. You don't have to worry about putting on extra moisturizers in your hair and in your, and even though it does help. But I know my hair was flourishing in Mississippi without me having any type of hair routine. So I always like to come back to my roots to do my hair, because this Texas heat, girl, it will dry you out. Anyway, see y'all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.